Samsung Galaxy S23 series launch date has been confirmed on its website. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. After a series of leaks and rumors surrounding the S23 series, Samsung has confirmed the S23 launch date. The company has revealed the information via their own website, and it is pretty much guaranteed that South Korean firm will launch the S23 at the Galaxy Unpacked 2023. According to Samsung website for Colombian market, the next Galaxy Unpacked event is happening on February 1st, 2023. The tagline for the event is "Epic moments are coming." The promotional images also reveals the three rear camera of the Galaxy S23 series featuring individual rings around them, similar to what we have seen on the leak renders. So judging upon that particular Unpacked event tagline, I will be more assured that it's going to be much more for the cameras as compared to the other things. So definitely the camera are the main features of this year S23 series, so we are hoping that they could perform even better. Now, as per the previous report, the Galaxy S23 series could go on sale by the second week of February 2023. Samsung may not increase the pricing of its new phone compared to the Galaxy S22 series. However, nothing can be confirmed until the South Korean firm make it official. Now, this leak has also been confirmed by Ice Universe as well. So guys, what to expect from the Galaxy S23 series? Well, basically, if we look at the S23 series, one of the major highlight of that particular device will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. It will be coming with 40% of CPU performance, 45% of GPU performance, and even the AI performance is going to be much more improved. And all of this will be packing with a 40% of a power efficiency. So definitely, this year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is going to be one of the fastest one, even faster than the Apple A16 based on Geekbench listing, and it's going to be much more heat resistant. And on top of that, Samsung themselves confirms that it's the only processor which you will be seeing all around the world, which is going to be pretty nice. Now, another good news that is coming for the S23 series will be the 256GB of base storage option, which is going to be for every S23 series device. But there are certain leaks that pointing out that 128GB storage option might be available for the base S23. And 8GB of RAM for the S23 and S23 Plus, and 12GB of RAM option for the S23 Ultra. And what is good about this RAM is that this is going to be the latest LPDDR5X RAM which is going to be introduced, and it's going to be faster than the previous generation, and also it's more power efficient. Even the UFS 4.0 storage option is coming this year, which is 2 times faster than the last year, and also it's more power efficient. All of these devices are going to be packing the Android 13 out of the box. Well, one of the things that S23 Ultra is going to be highlighted is the 200 megapixel main camera sensor, which is coming with optical image stabilization. It will be coming with an 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, and also it can support a 4K videos at portrait mode, which is similar to the cinematic mode of the iPhone 14 series. Now, other camera sensors are going to be same. We have the 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera with autofocus, a 10 megapixel of telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 10 megapixel of telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom capability. The front-facing camera for the S23 series will be the 12 megapixel, which is a downgrade for the S23 Ultra because it was packing a 40 megapixel of a camera sensor in the S22 Ultra. This new 12 megapixel will be much more improved and even better in the quality than the S22 Ultra 40 megapixel, while the other S23 and S23 Plus could be coming with a 50 megapixel of a primary sensor with optical image stabilization, 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and 10x telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Now, for the battery capacity, the S23 base model will be coming with 3900 mAh, and S23 Plus will be having a 4700 mAh battery capacity, which is 200 mAh more than the previous S22 series. So definitely it's a little bit jump for the S23 base and the Plus model, whereas the S23 Ultra will be having the same 5000 mAh battery capacity. Both the S23 Plus and Ultra will be supporting 45 watt charging, and the S23 will be supporting a 25 watt of fast charging. All phones support fast wireless charging, reverse wireless charging. Now, as far as the pricing is concerned, there are mixed leaks right now because some believes that we might actually see a $50 increase in the pricing, while other thinks that it's going to be remaining the same because of the competition. So guys, I'm super excited about the S23 series launch date. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.